everyone, this is your host Farishte and now it's time for the top news of the day, exclusively on Bollywood Bullet. Sanjay Leela Bhansali's Padmavati वापस पड़ गई है मुश्किल में. Padmavati set got attacked by 40 to 50 people who barged in with sticks and stones and later burned the place on fire. No injuries have been reported till now. जब आमिर को पूछा गया why doesn't he attend any Bollywood award functions unlike Salman and Shahrukh, तब आमिर ने दिया एक परफेक्ट जवाब.
एक्चुअली मैं अवार्ड्स में नहीं जाता हूँ.
I agree sir, but we are appreciating your work.
हाँ.
Or do you expecting national award?
मेरे लिए तो सबसे बड़ा अवार्ड जो है वो हमारी ऑडियंस का जो रिएक्शन है, उनका जो प्यार है, उससे बड़ी मेरे लिए कोई चीज़ नहीं.
और अगर मिल जाता है नेशनल अवार्ड फिल्म को किसी भी माध्यम से, तो क्या कहना? If at all
नहीं, मतलब मैं अवार्ड्स के बारे में कुछ बोलते ही नहीं हूँ.
Controversies have always been a part of Bollywood. और अब विद्या बालन ने दिया एक शॉकिंग कमेंट on women using abusive language.
बहुत आसान था, मैं तो रोज गालियां बकती हूँ. नहीं, पर जोक्स अपार्ट, आई थिंक ये जहाँ से आती हैं, जिस तरह का माहौल है, वो गालियां बहुत आसानी से बकती हैं. सारी की सारी लड़कियां, कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है.
When asked about legalizing red light areas in India, Vidya gave the best reply, जिसने हम सबको किया शॉक.
अकेडमिकली मुझे पता था कि क्या है, पर वो महसूस तब हुआ जब मैंने बेगम जान की. वो क्योंकि आप पर्सनलाइज करते हैं, तो आप पढ़ सकते हैं और कह सकते हैं कि अच्छा लीगलाइज होना चाहिए, नहीं होना चाहिए, ये सब डिबेट्स तो कितने साल से चलते आ रहा है. पर जब आप खुद उस किरदार को निभा रहे होते हैं, आप पर्सनलाइज करते हैं, फिर आपको एहसास होता है कि वो जो एक्सप्लॉयटेशन ऑफ द बॉडी होता है, जब आप बॉडी को ट्रेड करते हैं फॉर सर्वाइवल, I don't think it can be, even if you've done it 2000 times, I don't think it can get easy.
बिपाशा बासु और करण सिंह ग्रोवर बॉलीवुड की सबसे क्यूट जोड़ी मानी जाती है. Watch out what Bipasha has to say about her life after marriage.
I am very protective about him, but he is more possessive than me. Funny stuff means suddenly there's a man in my room every day, and then we have to figure out who goes to the outside loo and who goes to the inside loo. So we have that timing thing, which is also very beautifully balanced. I don't know, he's a great companion, wonderful friend. So when you're living with your best friend, it's that easy, honestly. My parents still feel that we are boyfriend-girlfriend because still I say my boyfriend is in the loo or something, and my mother's like, "Arey yaar," the husband word is quite big and heavy. But I'm very happy that I have a husband who's very caring and very loving, and helps me in every possible way, like in every single thing.
Kangana Ranaut's controversial comment on nepotism on Coffee with Karan has been a hot topic of discussion in Bollywood. जब बिपाशा बासु को इस कमेंट के बारे में पूछा गया, तब बिपाशा ने दिया करारा जवाब.
I don't know why so many opinions matter. Let human beings lead their own lives and take their own decisions, and let two people deal with it, man. It's not very interesting for me to read what anyone else does because I have lots in my life. That's what I said. To have a healthy mind, focus on yourself first. Make your own decisions rather than getting into anybody else's life and spaces and opinions and debates on it. We have lots of pressing matters in our country anyways, We have bigger things to discuss rather than statements thrown here and there in between professionals. It's like, I think, leave it to them to do whatever.
देखिए सोनाक्षी सिन्हा का फोटोशूट फॉर नच बलिए सीजन 8 प्रोमो. You will for sure fall in love with her. सैफ अली खान और कुणाल खेमू फिर से देखे जाएंगे इन गो गोआ गॉन 2. Watch out what Soha Ali Khan has to say about this.
Well, I think plans are on. I loved Go Goa Gone, and I would love to see a sequel. So if it happens, it'll be incredible. And I love both their characters in Golmaal, in Go Goa Gone. So I'm looking forward to another sequel.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Anushka Sharma, who is busy with the promotions of her upcoming movie Filori, देखी गई दिल है हिंदुस्तानी के सेट्स पर with Karan Johar and Badshah.
हट रही हूँ यार. Excuse me. मैम सामने मैम आप यहाँ मैम रेडी मैम अनुष्का
Well, that's all for today. Do give the video a thumbs up, share and comment your views in the comment section below. And for more, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Movie Talkies.